Your skin is a precious organ, and healthy skin is necessary for a healthy body. Let's get into more detail. Skin is made up of 3 layers. The outermost is the epidermis, a first protective layer. Below the epidermis is the dermis. Here we find hair follicles, sweat glands, and blood capillaries. We also find cells from the nervous system, called nociceptors. These cells help to respond to harmful stimuli, and its overactivation usually results in subjective experiences of pain and itchiness. The final layer is the dermis, where immune cells fight infections. In skin autoimmune conditions, such as atopic skin, there is overactivation of the immune system, with abnormal recruitment of immune cells. Over time, this leads to inflammation of the dermis, cirrhosis, erythema, and eczema. This over-inflammatory state results in the overactivation of the nerve cells, the nociceptors. The lesions of atopic skin are characterized by large areas of dry skin and a deficit in the skin barrier function that leads to frequent bacterial infections. It's estimated that 2 to 3% of the global population has atopic skin. That's 125 million people who are affected on a daily basis. This condition can lead to a debilitating feeling of itch. In fact, 85% of people with atopic skin experience this feeling. The constant itch has a strong impact in the quality of life, since it's normally associated with sleep deprivation, injuries due to scratching, discomfort, and shame of one's body. The research for the treatment of this condition has largely been focused on the immune system. Surprisingly, the role of the nervous system has been disregarded. AntalGenics, on the other hand, proposes to use its know-how to decrease the activity of skin sensory neurons, using molecules that target the pathways responsible for the itch, pain, and inflammation. So, how do we do it? We began with capsaicin, a TRPV1 modulator that has the potential to alleviate skin conditions associated with inflammation and itch. However, it has limitations due to its side effects. To improve the calming profile of capsaicin, AntalGenics has developed Calmapsin, a novel neurocosmeceutical active ingredient targeting neuronal receptor TRPV1 and designed based on a natural compound capsaicin. But what does Calmapsin do? Calmapsin reduces TRPV1 activation directly, without eliciting any burning sensation and reducing the itch signaling from its origin, the sensory neuron in the skin. In sensitive skin conditions, inflammation disrupts skin barrier function. Calmapsin reverts altered atopic skin-related genes, facilitating the recovery of the impaired skin barrier. Another important gene in the skin barrier function is TMEM79, which is downregulated in atopic skin. Calmapsin reverts this downregulation, supporting its protective effect in the skin barrier function. Oxidative stress is also increased in atopic skin conditions. This damages cellular structures and promotes aging. Our ingredient reduces significantly oxidative stress in epidermal cells, preventing oxidative cellular damage. Calmapsin is the first neurocosmeceutical ingredient exhibiting a 360 effect over sensory neurons and skin cells. It reinforces skin barrier function, its antioxidant capacity minimizes oxidative stress, and it reduces sensory neuron reactivity, inducing a calming effect in the skin. In conclusion, Calmapsin is an innovative ingredient for the continued handling and care of sensitive skin. This innovative science-based active ingredient has been developed at our state-of-the-art equipped laboratory facilities in the scientific park of the University Miguel Hernández in Elche. AntalGenics counts on the know-how and long-lasting experience of its own research and management team.